This video coincides with Chapter 8 of the book. First thing we're going to do is we're going to import a Unity package that has our non-player characters, and those are the Beatles. And go to Assets, Import Custom Package, and from there we'll navigate to the appropriate package. Okay, and here you can see the package, and we'll go ahead and make sure all selected and then say import. Now we'll enlarge our project view and we'll see that we have Beetle folder under assets. When I click that, you can see several different things here. And click on one of the animations. We'll enlarge this so it's easier to see. So this is the attack on ground. We'll click play. Made a loop. We have die on the ground. Eat on the ground. Idea is when it finds a cucumber, it will simulate eating it, and this is just idle. And then, of course, when it's walking on the ground. And then for standing animations there are attack when it's standing. You can see die from a standing position. Idle standing. It can run when it's in the standing position. Can go from a ground position to a standing position, and it can walk when standing as well. So those are the animations. We'll get back to those in a little bit. Just resize the windows here so we can see. And here we have a Beetle controller, texture, materials and source files. And there's the texture. We have a prefabs folder. Here we see the Beetle prefab. Just drag that right into the scene. There it is. Let's drag a couple more. And let's see what happens when we put this in the game mode. So you see how the Beetles cycling through all the animations. Very synchronized. It's not what we want, but it's just for demonstration purposes. Gonna go back into the Beetle folder, and then here see the Beetle controller. Double click that. That opens up the animator window, and here we can see that when on entry new state, it goes through all these states sequentially, and then it loops again. So that's why you saw the Beetles cycling through each one of their animations. The book goes into great detail on how to make changes to this. So we'll do that now. And this is what the animation controller can look like once all the transitions have been headed. When we go back into game mode, you can watch the Beetles, and they will not cycle through. So you can see that when it's walking and it's running towards us, that's because of a script that we added that has it. If it detects us, it will locate us and attack us, and then die. One thing worth looking at is, for non-player characters of Beetle, taking a look at the properties here in Inspector, and we want to look at the box collider. And here when I click Edit Collider, you can see, I'll zoom right in there, that it's not really that great. So we need to make sure that it encompasses the entire NPC. I'm going to use the transform tools just to get that where we want it. And you can finesse this as much as you can. The object is you want to make sure that it has the beetle, and that way when it collides with something, whether it be a cherry or the cucumber man, then it can be detected. Now look at the cucumber man, and in the inspector panel we see that we've added a tag called player. That way we can identify the cucumber man as a player in our scripts. Look at the script. The specific part of it is an on collision enter, and it detects if what it collided with has the tag of player, and if so, then it processes the rest of the script. And that concludes this video.